Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we send Microsoft Word document via email. So this is the Word document which we're gonna send. So before that, you have to connect your internet with your system and log in your Microsoft, Gmail. Now click here, compose, and you can see there's an option for attachments. Now you can click on this attachment file and you can browse it from your PC, okay? Or you can do is select the file, drag and drop it to the composed box, okay? Now you can enter the person, name, email ID and the subject, and then click on send. So it's sending right now and it's sent. So this way guys, you can send a Microsoft Word document using Gmail. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.